I just remembered something. The other day Dr. Azri gave an assignment, but I have no idea on how to do it. What should I do?
Six hours later.
I don't have any idea on how to do this assignment. Hi Akram, what are you doing? I'm just thinking on how to do the assignment that Dr. Azri gave to me last week. But I don't have any idea at all on how to do this. Let me see the question. Oh, this one is easy. You just have to explain the theory of jet propulsion cycle in the form of video clip. Don't worry, I will help you. A jet engine is a reaction engine that discharges a fast-moving jet that generates a thrust by jet propulsion. This type of engine is widely used to power aircraft because they are light and have high power-weight ratio. All jet engine and gas turbine are heat engines that convert thermal energy into useful work. The useful work may be in the form of mechanical power, as from a shaft which is used to drive a propeller, a pump, an electric generator, or any mechanical device. The work input is used to produce compressed air and combustion products, which are then accelerated to provide reaction propulsion. Have you ever wondered how a rocket can fly with high speed? The rocket flies forward under the influence of thrust, and the combusted air coming out from the back of the rocket at a very high speed is used as a thrust to move the rocket upward.
So, what do you understand about aircraft gas turbine engine? It is basically an engine operated on an open cycle called jet propulsion cycle. Jet propulsion is the propelling force generated in the direction opposite to the flow of mass of gas or liquid under pressure. The mass escapes through a hole or opening called the jet nozzle. A familiar example is the nozzle at the end of fire hose. The nozzle forms a smaller passageway through which the water must flow. The nozzle increases the velocity of water, giving the term jet of water. Another example of the theory is inflated balloon. With the opening in the balloon closed, there is no action because the pressure of the gas inside the balloon is equal in all directions. When you allow the opening to release the air, the balloon moves. Its movements appear to be in all directions. However, it is always moving in the opposite direction from the open end where the air is exiting.
There are two applications working on the theory of jet propulsion cycle: afterburner, turbofan, turboprop, and jet. Afterburner is popular in military aircraft, and it is used whenever a need for extra thrust arises, such as short takeoff or combat condition. Afterburner is similar to reheat the device. It is located after the turbine and before the nozzle. It produces a high temperature at the nozzle inlet, results in an increase in the velocity.
Next one is turboprop. It is a gas turbine drives the compressor and the propeller. Most of the thrust is from the propeller. It works by accelerating large volumes of air to moderate velocity. Propellers are best suited for low speed, less than 500 mph per flight.
The most popular engine in aircraft is the turbofan, where fan is driven by the turbine forces and a considerable amount of air flowing through a duct surrounding the engine. It is also a best choice for fuel economy and speed.
The last one is ramjet. Ramjet is properly shaped up with no compressor or turbine. It is used for high-speed propulsion and missiles. Compression is achieved by decelerating the high-speed incoming air in the diffuser. Aircraft must already be in flight at high speed. Ramjet is typically used in aircraft flying above Mach 1.
Nowadays, we can see many everyday examples of jet propulsion cycle. By theory, the ideal jet propulsion cycle produces zero work output, but since the gas leaves at high velocity, the change in momentum that the gas undergoes provide a thrust to the backward direction, making the aircraft move forward. The term jet engine loosely refers to an internal combustion air-breathing jet engine. This typically features a rotating air compressor powered by a turbine, with the leftover power providing a big thrust via a propelling nozzle to the backward direction. This process is also known as thermodynamic cycle. Pretty much like that. Thanks for watching.